Welcome kids. Welcome to Kaiko Lessons. The chapter which we are going to discuss today is Ice Cream Man, which is taken from the book Marigold English Class 5 NCERT syllabus. And this is Prithvi Vinod who is going to present you this video. Ice Cream Man. Read and enjoy. What is cold, sweet and creamy and wonderful to eat? Everyone's favorite treat, especially on a hot summer day, is an ice cream. And everyone's favorite person might just be the ice cream man. When summer's in the city and bricks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chilling things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white, or pink. His cot might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster round, as thick as honey bees. The poem is by Rachel Field. Let us see the new words and also meaning for the new words. Blaze, bright flame or fire. Trundling, moving on small broad wheels. Mounds, heap or pile. Frosty fizz, chilled drink making a hissing and bubbling sound. Cluster, gather around, or group of similar things. Reading is fun. In which season is ice cream popular? Ice cream is popular in summer season. Who feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man? Children feels joyful on seeing the ice cream man. Name the different flavors of ice cream the ice cream man has in his cart. The ice cream man has vanilla, chocolate and strawberry flavors. What are the two things that the ice cream man is selling? The ice cream man is selling ice cream and chilled drinks from the bottle of frosty fizz. What is the ice cream man caught compared to in the poem? The ice cream man caught is compared to flower bed in the poem. Let's write. Having an ice cream on a hot summer day is exciting and enjoyable. Write about some of the exciting and enjoyable things that one can do in the winter season. What we can do in winter season? We can go for ice skating. We can go for ice climbing. We can do ice fishing. We can play ice hockey. We can build a snowman and we can build an igloo. List as many summer activities as you can. What all things you can do in summer? Swimming, playing with friends, go for a bike ride, learn new courses like cooking, playing with water gun, eating ice cream, visiting a farm and visiting a zoo. Now group these activities into indoor and outdoor activities. What are indoor activities? Learning new courses like cooking and eating ice cream. What are the outdoor activities? Go for a bike ride and visiting a zoo. Say aloud. Circle the words where you get a sound. One is done for you. Honeybees, prize, maze, rice, blaze, fish, lazy, busy, rice, race, race and chase. Let's listen. Listen and tell the sounds that these words in the poem produce. Caught, drinks. Can you make these sounds? Kids, you try these sounds at your home. What are some of the different sounds you hear when the ice cream man comes? When the ice cream man comes, we hear tring tring and ting ting. Find out and write a report. Here is a report on Uncle Lol's farm. Father took me to visit Uncle Lol's dairy farm. I saw all of Uncle Lol's cow. He has 50 cows. They eat grass in the big green farms. In the evening, the farmers bring them to the barn to be milked. Uncle Lal sells his milk in the city. When writing a report, remember to do these things. Think of a good title. Write it correctly. Keep to your subject. Tell things in the right order. Make your paper look neat. In group of 4, write a report on different brands of ice creams available in your area. You may use the following clues. Start with a short introduction which contains the topic. Then list the ice cream brands available in your area. The topic header is Chill and Cool. Ice cream is loved by all and one of the favorite desserts of all the children. In my area, we have an ice cream shop named Chill and Cool. All brands of ice cream such as Arun, Amul, Baskins are available there. It comes with different flavors and also in different sized containers. Maharaja ice cream, which comes in clay pot, is my favorite. During functions, we buy all flavors of ice cream such as vanilla, strawberry, coffee, mango and chocolate. Next say, which are the common flavors of ice cream in each of the brands? Which are the common flavors? Vanilla, strawberry and chocolate. Under each brand, find out which flavors are being sold the most. Also find out their prices. Under Amul, vanilla flavor is sold most. Under Baskins, chocolate and mango flavors are the favorite. Under Arun ice cream, coffee and strawberry are the best. Vanilla, we can get it for 10 rupees. Chocolate, it is for 20 rupees. The costlier is coffee, which comes around 50 rupees. Finally, write which do you think is the most popular ice cream. I like the Arun ice cream the most as it is creamy and yummy. It is most popular as well because of its considerable price. Word building. Color the boxes that have rhyming words. In this, which all boxes have the rhyming words? Heat, street. Blow, goes. Hard, yard. Label, table. Sky, mile. Race, face. Right, night. What do the following words describe in the poem? Joyful, sight. Little, cart. Round, umbrella. What are the describing words used in the poem for the following? Mounds. Cooling brown and white mounds. Flavor. Vanilla, chocolate and strawberry flavor. Clustered. Thick. Fun time. Color the boxes with the colors of the flavors mentioned in each. Chocolate. What color it is? It is in brown color. Vanilla. White color. Orange. It is in orange color. Black currant. It is in violet. Strawberry. It is in red. Raspberry. Bright pink. Butterscotch. Yellow. Pista. Light green. Draw and color your dream ice cream. Describe it using interesting describing words. The colors, the flavors, the size, how it looks, tastes, feel, etc. My dream ice cream should have different layers with different colors. The ice cream should have a cake-like bottom and full of nuts on its top. Have you ever seen kulfi, the ice cream from North India? The following sentences describe how it is served, but they are not in correct order. Write the correct numbers before each of the sentences. First, what he do? He scoops out the kulfi on the plate. Secondly, the kulfi wala takes the kulfi mold out of the pitcher. The third is, then he pours some sweet syrup over it and serves it. And finally, he arranges some faluda around it. Thank you, kids.